Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will tell you about how to fix can deliver to your country on TikTok Shop. First, verify your regional availability. TikTok Shop is not available worldwide. Its services are limited to specific regions. As of February 2023, TikTok Shop is accessible in countries like Singapore, Malaysia, and the Philippines, Vietnam, Thailand, China, UK, and Indonesia. If you are located outside these regions, you may encounter delivery restrictions. Then check sellers' shipping policies. Some sellers on a TikTok shop may choose to ship only to certain countries or regions. Before making a purchase, review the seller's shipping policies to ensure they deliver to your location. Then update your shipping address. Ensure that your shipping address is complete and formatted correctly. Open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Then tap the horizontal lines to access settings and privacy. Then select manage address and verify that your address details are accurate. An incorrect or incomplete address can lead to delivery issues. Then contact TikTok support. If you are in a supported region and still facing delivery issues, open the TikTok app and navigate to your profile. Tap the three horizontal lines to access settings and privacy. Select report a problem and provide detailed information about the issue. TikTok support team can offer guidance tailored on your situation. Then stay informed about regional changes. TikTok Shop is continually expanding its services. Regularly check for updates regarding regional availability to know when the service become accessible in your area. And that's it. That's how you can fix this problem on TikTok Shop.